Hi guys! In this video we're going to learn a few basic kanji characters. I'll be referencing the textbook called Genki, second edition. This is volume 1, okay? Genki volume 1, second edition. And I'll be doing the kanji characters from chapter 4. And these are the characters we will be learning in this video, okay? So let's get started. First we're going to do the character for sun, and here's a box to situate myself, a square. Now start off here, go down, that's one stroke, then another stroke, this is a single stroke, okay? And then right in the middle and finish. Okay, so that's sun. I'll do it one more time. Top to bottom, one, left to right and going down once you reach the other side. That's one single stroke, okay? And then the middle and complete. Okay? Now let's proceed with the character for book, which also has the meaning of origin or basis. So basically, start left to right, top to bottom, kind of like a cross, then from the middle like this, and then again like that, and then you do this to complete. Alright, let's try it one more time. One, two, three, 4, 5. Got it? Now that you have learned the kanji for sun and the kanji for book or origin, you can write Japan, which is Nihon. Right? So Japan is written like this. So this is sun and this is origin. No wonder Japan is the land of the rising sun. Now let's go on. And we're gonna do a very common character. That's the character for person. And that's just 2 strokes. Alright, start from the top, tilt a little bit to the left, and then here about in the middle, and that's it. Let's try again. 1, 2. Got it? So, if you apply this character to the word Japan, you get Japanese person, Nihonjin. Right? Nihonjin, Japanese person. Alright, let's move on. We're gonna learn moon. The moon. Alright, so top to bottom, tilt it a little bit, left to right and going down, kind of like we did with sun. And do a little thing here when you go down. It's like this kind of hook. And then you complete left to right, left to right. Alright. That's moon. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Now let's learn how to write fire. Alright. Little here, 1, and then tilt a little bit here, 2, and then coming down, 3, and then 4. Notice that the inside is kind of like the character for person, which just the outside has these kind of traces, so that's fire. Let's try again. One little thing, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Now we had fire, so now let's do water. Very, very common character. Water. Top to bottom, going down. Do a little hook there. Then come like this. This is 1 stroke. And then go like this. 1 stroke. And then do another stroke. Going like that. Okay? So it's 2 strokes on the right hand side, but only 1 on the left hand side. Let's try again. One, 2, 3, 4. Water. This character also appears in the word for Wednesday, suyobi. So, okay. Now let's do tree. The character for tree is very similar to the one for origin or book. That is the character for the second character for the word for Japan. Except it doesn't have the last stroke that Hon, the book character, has. So let's do tree. Similar, very similar, same thing. Left to right, top to bottom, and then you do this, and then you do that. But you don't have the last stroke as Hon had, right? No last stroke. Last stroke. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, this character also appears as a weekday, and it is Thursday, mokuyobi. Notice how these characters I've been doing, they also appear in the word for the weekday. So, it's good to know them, right? Alright, let's do gold. Not a very popular character. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go that. 1, 2, 3. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. gold. As part of the word Friday to kinyobi. Okay. So now let's do the character for soil or earth. That's 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. Notice the bottom horizontal stroke is a little longer than the top one. This is very important because this is a different character. So in this case, earth is like the first one is shorter than the last. So 1, 2, 3. Got it? And this character appears in the word for Saturday, doyobi. Now we're going to do a character that appears in the word for the weekday. It basically indicates weekday. Which weekday it is. It is used in combination with the previous characters we have learned. And it's pronounced yo, like kayobi, doyobi, mokuyobi, kinyobi. That yo sound is this character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Well, I hope I have counted that right. Anyways, looks a little bit complicated, right? Lots of strokes, but with time you get used to it. And notice this character here. That's we learned before, right? So this is basically sun. So that's a radical that you have already learned. So this is gonna appear a lot of times when you learn new kanji. So basically other kanji are compound characters and they use radicals like this for sun. And this is not a radical right here that appears very often. So don't worry if you don't remember these right now. You don't have to exactly memorize each stroke. As long as you know the radicals, then you can easily remember the kanji. With time, you get used to it. So you say, oh, this character is easy. It's just the sun, and you put this radical here with that one. Okay. Alright, so let's try again. And I'll do it one more time. So do it slowly. Okay, so let's try it again. Got it? Okay. So, with all these previous characters we have learned, we can now write each weekday. Really. So, let me just write them for you here. Examples with the characters we have learned. Let's say Monday, and let's do maybe Saturday, the one we just learned. My boxes are kind of, I'll just rewrite this. It's kind of not really square. So let's try to make square boxes here. Just so it looks better. Okay, so we got Monday is Getsuyobi. So Getsuyobi. So Getsu, the first character we have learned, and that's a character for moon. So 2, 3, 4. And then Yo, it's the character we have just learned. And it's always like this. It comes right as the middle character. Sorry, it was kind of hard to write strokes clearly. This is too big of the brush size in the small square. But anyway, and B is just sun. So basically the pattern to say the weekdays in Japanese is just whatever yobi. So getsuyobi, Monday. Now for Saturday it's gonna be whatever yobi. So I'll just write yobi here. Yo. Oop. Yobi. And can you guess which one it is? Doyobi. Doyobi. It's the one for soil. 2, 3. That's doyobi. Getsuyobi. Doyobi. Doyobi. Alright. Now I'd like to finish with just 4 other characters. And they are character for up or on top, and for down or below. Let's start with the first one. So a character for up or top is like this. 1, 2, 3. Kind of easy, right? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Now let's go to down or below, under. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Kind of like intuitive, right? When you look at it. Oh yeah, kind of like looks like you're looking down or something. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Now let's do another character. Now it's for middle or center. Very common character. 1, 2, that's the whole stroke. 3, and then you right in the middle. Very intuitive, right in the middle. That's its meaning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right in the middle. Alright? So for those of you who know Chinese or ever saw Wikipedia and under the language section, for example, and you see this character there, that means the language is Chinese, because China is written like this. Chugok. This character is a character for country or state. This is middle. So China kind of like the middle kingdom, middle country. Anyways, let's proceed to the last character of this video, and its meaning is half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool, huh? It means half. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Han. Alright. So this is it for this video. Just as a reference here, I'm showing you again the Genki textbook. You can find all these characters. It's pretty interesting. I really recommend this book to learn Japanese. Good reference for beginners. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. And if you like, please subscribe. And if you have any kanji requests, please send me a message, post in the comments below. And I'm just gonna say what I said in my previous videos about how to practice these characters. Basically, you just get a square paper sheet, and I recommend you write each character 3 times and memorize the strokes. It's very important that you do them in the right order, the right sequence of strokes. And you get better and better as you do it more and more. For example, let's say I want to practice the character we just did, that means middle. I would write it 3 times, do it slowly, taking care to pay attention to the stroke order. Very important. And that's about it for practice. And then, ganbatte ne. Thank you.